TV KPM.
And today we are focusing on the topic of division of fractions. But Mr. Ragu, in this segment, I see some beakers on the table.
Yes.
Are we doing some experiment?
Exactly. We're going to learn division today, which is mixed number with a proper number.
All right.
Okay, a proper fraction. All right. Okay, let's say we start with a problem. We always start with a problem.
A real life situation.
Yes, in real life situation. Okay, we have one big jar of syrup there.
Yes.
Okay, the content of the syrup is 2.5 liter to 1/2 liter. Okay, and I want you to fill up the syrup into the small beaker. Each beaker is 1/4 liter. So I'm going to test on you how you're going to divide this into 1/4 liter. So as we know, 1/4 liter is equivalent to 250 milliliter.
Yes.
Can you do it, Chris?
Can.
Okay, let's Chris do it.
Okay.
So you're going to put 250 milliliter of syrup in each beaker.
All right.
And we're going to find out how many beaker Chris managed to fill with 1/2 liter of syrup. Okay, kids at home and everyone, as we know, the concept of division is very important. The concept of division is sharing equally or grouping. Okay, what is sharing equally means? Let's say I have 10 candies. I'm going to share it with 2 of my siblings. So one for you, one for you. Another one for you, another one for you. Another one for you, another one for you. Another one for you, and another one for you. That is sharing equally. Okay, you must share equally. One for you and one for you. One for you and one for you. That is the concept of division. And we have one more concept of division, which is Chris is doing now, is grouping. So you have to group. Okay, let's say I have 20 marbles. Okay, I have 20 marbles. Each box I'm going to fill with 5 marbles. So what I do, I count 5 marbles and put on box 1. I count another 5 marbles and I put it in box 2. I count another 5 marbles and I put it in box 3. That is grouping. So division, we have 2 concepts, which is one is sharing equally and another one is grouping. So what is Chris doing now is grouping the syrup into 250 milliliter each.
Sir,
have you completed?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, let's count. How many groups?
So, let me put
that
this
Sean's
down.
that Chris get today.
Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 groups.
Okay. 10 beakers.
10 beakers, yes.
Okay, this is how you divide in real life situation. You divide 2.5 liter of syrup into 1/4 liter each beakers. So now I'm going to show you the standard written method.
All right.
Okay, so when you divide with a mixed number, you have to change the mixed number into an improper fraction. So 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. So 5/2, divide, you have to inverse it to multiplication, and 1/4 will become?
4/1.
Very good. 4/1. Okay, now what you have to do the next step? Simplify. So what number we can simplify here, Chris?
The 2 and 4, teacher.
Perfect. 2 and 4. You divide with 2, you get 1. Divide with 2, you get 2. Is there any other numbers we can simplify?
No.
No. Very good. So we just multiply. 5 times 2 is 10. 1 times 1 is 1. So 10/1, we can write it as?
10.
Do you get 10 beakers just now?
Yes, teacher.
This is how we do the standard written method for this question.
Okay, understood.
Yeah. Kids at home, can you follow this?
Good.
If you can follow, show me your like hand.
Yeah.
Are you sure? Let's test then.
Okay.
Okay, get ready for the next practice, kids at home. Okay.
Yeah.
All right, we have practice 3 now. Okay, we have 4 questions here, kids at home. And Google Meet Kid, you can try all these questions. I will read the question as usual. So the first question is 3/2/3 divide with 1/3. The second question is 4/3/5 divide with 3/10. The third question is 6 5 over 8 divide with 1 over 8. And the last but not least, the fourth question is 5 7 over 15 divide with 1 over 5. Okay, kids at home, you can try all these 4 questions.
So I have a question.
Yes,
Like
Chris.
if the question earlier that you gave, we were talking about liters.
Yes.
And what if we answer but we don't put the units, sir? Like what would happen?
Okay, now we have to find out how many beakers do we get.
Okay.
So it's 10 beakers actually.
Okay. So
we can write the unit. If
Yup.
we never write the unit also, but is the proper way is we write the unit. We
Okay.
get 10 cup of waters.
All
So if
right.
it's a problem solving question, now I have converted it to a mathematical sentence.
Right.
So this is how you do in mathematical sentence. In
Okay.
real life problem, if you have problem, you have to answer according to the question need. If they ask you how many liter, you have to answer it in liter. If you convert the measurement into milliliter, but later you have to convert back to liter because they give you the question in liter.
I see.
You must be very careful in this.
Be very careful, friends.
Yes.
All right. So, can we ask if everyone is ready with your answers for the 4 questions? Okay, I see some hands for those of
If
you
you are
watching at
ready,
home.
just show me your right hand.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, they are very fast.
Very fast.
Okay, everyone
Amazing.
is complete. Okay, the first question. Who can help me now for the first question? Yes, Arisha.
So this question is 2 over 3 divided by 1 over 3. First, we need to change mixed number to improper fraction. Then we need to flip the number 1 over 3 into 3 over 1. We can simplify 3 over 3 with 3 equal to 1, 3 with 3 equal to 1. So the answer is 11 over 1 equal to 11.
Very good, Arisha. Thank you for the correct answer.
So, what reward does Arisha get, sir?
1 star for her.
1 star.
Usually, Chris, kids
Yeah.
can do and get the correct answer, but very difficult for them to explain. But they managed to explain.
Yeah, these are great students.
Yeah, okay. How about the second question? Who can help me on the second question?
Okay, second question. Okay, Nurul.
Yes, Nurul.
Question is 3 over 5 divided by 3 over 10. We need to change mixed number to improper fraction so it becomes 20 over 5. After that, division to multiplication and inverse the 3 over 10 to 10 over 3. Here we can simplify it. Divide by 5 equal to 1 and 10 divided by 5 is 2. Multiply up and up, down and down. So we get 46 over 3. We need to change it to improper fraction.
No, that is an improper fraction. You need to change to mixed number.
We need to change it to mixed number
Very good.
and the
Okay.
answer is 15 1 over 3.
Very good, Nurul. Thank you for the correct answer.
Good job.
And 1 star for Nurul.
Okay.
Okay.
So
next question, question number 3. Who going to help me with question number 3? Yes, Hari. Thank you, Hari.
The question is 6 5 over 8 divided by 1 over 8. So we have to convert 6 5 over 8 into improper fractions since it is a mixed number. So we will get 53 over 8 divided by 1 over 8. Now we have to inverse 1 over 8 to become 8 over 1. So it will be 53 over 8 times 8 over 1. We can simplify both of the 8 ones. So we will get 53 over 1 times 1 over 1. And we will get 53 over 1. 53 over 1 is equivalent to 3.
53.
53. Very good. Thank you for the correct answer, Hari.
Okay.
Okay, the last but not least, question number 4. Who can help me with question number 4? Yes, John.
Okay, John.
is 5, 7, divide 1 over 5. 5 is a mixed number and you need to change it into an improper, which will become 82 over 15. And 1 over 5, invest it to 5 over 1, and now you'll get 82 over times 5 over 1. But then, we can simplify 5 and 15. 5 divide 5 is divide 15 is 3. And now you'll get 3 times 1 over 1, and after times you will get 82 over 3. But 82 over is an improper fraction. You need to change it into a mix to become 27 1 over
27 1 over 3. How do you change the improper fraction to a mixed number, John? What operation do you use?
change the improper fraction to a mixed number by dividing it.
Very good. Thank you for the correct answer, John. We shall give 1 star for John.
Okay, 1 star. All right. So, Mr. Ragu, I'd like to ask you, how did all my friends on Google Meets and those watching at home do today for this topic, division of fractions?
They did perfect job. All the best to all the kids. Congratulations.
Good job, everyone.
And everybody
Perfect.
managed to get 3 stars.
3 stars.
That's the maximum star for each of you.
Great job,
Congratulations to
everyone.
all the kids at home.
Congrats. And also, Mr. Ragu, for those of you for those pupils watching at home who would like to get extra materials on today's
Yes,
topic, where
they
can they
can
find
get
it?
it at sumberku.com from MOE portal.
Sumberku. And remember, Mr. Ragu always says, practice makes perfect.
Didik TV KPM